Got this R29 out. It's got these experimental archery shack cables on it. Measured ATA on this bow. Looks like to me it's about a 1/16 over 10.5 inches, okay? Splitting dots both sides. It's had about 25 shots over these cables. Still got the old string on it. I'm gonna be shooting off this lead sled right here. I'm gonna shoot that target at 40 yards off this lead sled first. Just for a reference, I'm not gonna touch the speed wheel on this bow like it was set using my other cables. I got a target that I'm gonna tilt my head back 80 yards with a 2-inch dot on clean cardboard. We're gonna shoot boat number 7. You see how this bow is a shooting. Now, I got my old string on there, which means I didn't knock it with these cables on it, okay? But we're gonna still, if it shoots good with this old string on it, then when a new string on it, it might shoot a little better. So we're gonna see what happens. Stand by. Okay, here's my first shot at 40 as a reference. Now I'm shooting off the lead sled, and I did remove the quiver holder so it'll fit down in that rest on that lead sled. Now, my bow shoots a little different than the lead sled versus me shooting it like off the hood of my truck. It shoots a little high off the lead sled. I'm not gonna touch the speed wheel. I'm gonna adjust the scope down about 8 clicks. And we're gonna fire on back here. Now that's 80-yard target with clean cardboard on it. I may shoot a group of 5 or 3. See how this bow does with these cables on it for group. I've got this bow cocked. I'm gonna show you this here. I've got me a permanent marker and I've marked this. Now this bow will come back another click. You see where I've got her set, okay? That's where I cock it every time. You can see that in that camera there. Number 1 at 80 yards is downrange conditions out here. Ambient temperature is about 55. Extremely light winds, real good shooting conditions, especially for this time of the year. I dialed that scope down 8 clicks, okay? It looked like to me it got pretty close to the dot. Now I'm aiming at the top edge in the crosshair with that scope, okay? Give me an even tighter aiming point. Top edge, top center edge of the 2-inch dot. I'm getting close to it here now. Let y'all see what she looks like. And I'm gonna shoot some more now. Same boat, boat number 7. Maybe you can see that in the camera there. Okay. Go back, shoot again. Second shot at 80 yards at downrange. Looked like to me it might have went in the same hole as the first one. But we'll go down here and look. Stand by. I think my eyes lied to me. Look at this. Same hole. Okay. I'll shoot one more. And if it hits that same hole again, I believe it's shooting pretty good. He's down there, and if it did hit the same hole again, it might have half moved it to the left. I'll have to go down here and see. The target looked like to me it hit the same hole again. You there? Look at that. That's 3 shots at 80 yards with a Ravin crossbow with an archery shack string and this newer cables. You gotta believe your lying eyes, folks. Now that's off a lead sled with a quiver bracket removed so it'll fit down in the wrist. So as far as I'm concerned, the accuracy part, those cables pass, okay? Flying colors. I don't have to shoot that bow no more to see that the accuracy part with the stronger material in the cables. Now, I don't have a chronograph. I didn't fool with the speed wheel on that bow, okay? Like I said, that's ATA running a 16th past 10.5 inches. 1/16 inch. Splitting both sides of the dots. This is a 400 grain weighted bolt, including the point. Hope you enjoyed.